Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if this is your first time on this channel, welcome. The welcome back was for people that are coming back for second, third, or in memorable time. So thank you guys so much for always watching my videos. So today I'm going to be bringing you guys another delicious creamy cake filling, and this one is so easy to make and it is delicious. Look at the consistency. It is so creamy and so milky. Like the taste is like ice cream but not cold. See how delicious. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make my white chocolate creamy cake filling. Yay! Okay, so let's get started. See how nice and creamy. See how it moves. It can really act as a frosting, because most of my fillings sometimes can be frostings, but this one can't because it is too creamy and it kind of droops. Do you get? Yeah. So use it for just cake filling. So let's get started. Okay, so you're going to be needing a saucepan. And it is better if the saucepan is non-stick. Today I'm going to be using my saucepan that I just bought. I literally just bought this pan. So I'm going to be making the filling in it for you guys today. Okay, so you're going to be needing a saucepan that is non-stick, and then to that we're going to be needing some milk. Yes, so sorry guys, did I say milk? I meant heavy cream. So you're going to be needing 200 grams of heavy cream, and then this is the heavy cream I'm going to be using today. It's 33%. So if you're going to be making this, make sure you use full fat whipping cream between maybe 30 to 35%. That way you get the best result. So you're going to be needing 200 grams of that, and then you're going to pour it in your saucepan. Meanwhile, you're going to make sure it's on very low heat, because you don't want it to evaporate. You don't want most of your liquid to evaporate, because that way it won't give you the results you want. Okay, so into the same bowl we're going to be measuring in some white chocolate. Okay, I know you guys can see me cleaning by the side. That's because I'm obsessed with a clean space. I clean as I work. I feel like I clean more than more than I make stuff. Cleaning is a full-time job when you're a cake decorator. It's almost exhausting, but I love a clean space. Okay, so to that guys, we're going to measure out 250 grams of white chocolate, and then we are going to pour it into our saucepan and then stir and stir and stir until it melts. Okay, so you want to make sure you melt it completely in your saucepan, and make sure that your saucepan is not the heat is not too much, otherwise it will evaporate and you won't get the consistency you need, because the liquid in your filling would be too little. So you want to make sure you pay attention to that. Okay, so what you want to do next is to take your white chocolate and pour it into your saucepan and turn it until it melts. And this part is kind of therapeutic for me, because see how nice. I like when chocolate melts. Especially white chocolate. I feel like dark chocolate kind of messes up the whole place usually, because when it touches anywhere it stains the part it touches. So it gets, I don't know, it just really stresses me out. But my customers prefer dark chocolate to white chocolate, because I get better reviews when I use dark chocolate to white chocolate. But I love white chocolate because I feel like it is pretty and it is less messy. I don't know, and I like to see how it melts. It's so nice. Okay, so you want to make sure you melt it completely. And so while I'm at this, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please, we just got to 11,000 subscribers and it feels amazing, because my goal is to get to 100,000 subscribers for the end of next year. Is that too much? Is that reaching too high? Yeah, maybe, I don't know. Anyways, you guys are going to help me get there, so you're going to do your part by clicking and subscribe right now. Yes, I sound so entitled. Okay, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up underneath this video, because and I have amazing videos for you guys on this channel, amazing. I'm not even bragging. I have something for everybody. If you're a beginner, an intermediate, an expert, I have something for everybody. So you're going to really love this channel. So all you have to do is subscribe and turn on the bell, click on the bell button so you can get notified every time I post something new. Yes. So, and also make sure you give me a thumbs up on this video. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Anyways, let's move on. So to that, you're going to be adding some lemon juice or lime juice. In this case today, I'm going to be using lime juice because that's what I have at home. But if you have lemon juice or lemon extract, no, not lemon extracts, lemon juice, that works. Or you can use some vinegar as well, maybe apple cider or regular vinegar. And you're going to be needing 2 tablespoons of that, and then you want to stir. What the lemon juice does for you is that it makes it less sweet and it gives it like a sour note. I don't know if you get. Another thing I like to do is to add a little bit of salt, maybe a pinch or two. And what salt does for you is that like it brings out the taste of the ingredients you have, and at the same time toning down the amount of sugar and whatever it is you're making. So I add salt to all of my desserts, whether I'm making frostings or fillings or cakes. Like there's salt in everything I make. Okay, so to that mixture you want to add in 50 grams of butter and then stir, and you want to make sure it melts. This filling is very simple and very easy, and once you're done, it seems a little too watery, but don't worry, it's not too watery. It's going to like thicken when it cools, because like at room temperature white chocolate is solid. At room temperature also butter is solid, so all of those things is going to add to the consistency of your filling once it is cold. Okay, so what you want to do right now is just stir and stir and stir until it melts completely. Yeah, and see how nice it looks. I kind of like the color, but the funny thing is that the color kind of pales when it cools down. You don't have to whip it or anything, but like the color pales when it cools down. It becomes really pretty and like milky-ish, if that makes any sense. Anyways, so guys, that's basically all you have to do. Like just stir it until it is completely melted and nice. Like see how nice it looks now, and it looks kind of glossy, but don't worry, when you leave it to cool it's going to be really like thick and like feeling like basically. Okay, so now at this point I am done, and then we are going to turn it into a bowl. Just turn it up, like turn it into like a clean bowl, and then we're going to cover it with cling film so it doesn't form a film on top. Notice the consistency at this point, because like it kind of coats the the spatula. Yes, that's what you're looking for. So we are going to turn this into a bowl. See how it is nice. Don't worry, I know it doesn't look like a filling now. It kind of looks like cake syrup, or I don't know, something to moisten your cake with, but don't worry, it's still very hot at this point. In the meantime, if you guys haven't seen the other cake fillings, I think I have about 10 different recipes of cake fillings on this channel, and very different from frostings. If you want to see that, like I'm going to put a link right up here for you to click on. Just click on it. I kind of made a playlist for you guys so you can like see different options that you have. And the cake fillings I kind of made for you guys, they are cheap and they are easy and fast to make. Like they are perfect for like everyday cake decorator, so you don't have to like stress so much in making the little parts of your cake. But these are the things I give your customers, special, I don't know. I keep saying but I don't know. Anyway, so at this point, once you turn it out, you want to take a cling film and cover the top. The reason why you're doing that is because you're going to leave it to cool completely till the next day, and you don't want it to form a film on top, because if it forms a film on top, when you stir your filling, it is not going to be smooth and nice. Yeah, it's still going to be nice and taste just the same, but it's going to have like lumps inside because of the the film that was formed on top because you didn't cover it and stuff. So make sure you cover it with a cling film and then leave it till morning. Okay, so this was not actually morning. This was like 6 hours later on the same day because I was eager to like finish the video and everything. So look at how you want to make sure you don't put it in the fridge, because if you put it in the fridge, like it's a little like it gets like too hard, and then you have to pop it in the microwave, and you don't want to spoil the consistency. So see how nice, yeah, see how amazing. Look at this texture. Usually when I make this filling, like I make it in large batches and leave it in the fridge. So when I want to use it, I take it out like the night before. So like when I wake up in the morning, I want to use it, it's at the normal consistency again. And you don't have to add preservatives to this. It kind of preserves itself. But I've only had it for, I think I've had it for about 6 weeks. So it can last, I can tell you categorically that it lasts at least 6 weeks without preservatives, and it is awesome and tastes delicious. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. Thank you for always watching my videos, and thank you for 11,000 subscribers. I love you guys. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my future videos. Bye.